tonight at 6.
Good evening. It is Friday, August 21st. I'm Ben Singer.
And I'm Tina Tice-Shaw. Thank you for joining us tonight. A jury award in an historic Chatham County lawsuit, civil lawsuit that is.
Thurman Howard spent some time behind bars, but the jury said that it wasn't enough for an extreme fit of road rage in 2011. It says Howard owes his victims more than $4.5 million. News 3's Joanne Merrigan has been following this case for us and joins us now.
That's right, Ben and Tina. And it is a big settlement being announced late yesterday. This is one of the first verdicts of its kind around here. Now, road rage is something we've all heard about, but for one Atlanta family going home from a vacation in Hilton Head, it became real. It was a summer day, much like today, back in July of 2011. Frank and Heather Powers were going home to Atlanta on I-95. In the back seat, their children, ages 9, 4, and 1-year-old.
Most of it was the shock and scare and fright of being shot at on the highway.
Attorney Steve Lowry says the family's Ford Expedition had just crossed over into Port Wentworth when another driver became enraged and fired up to 5 shots at the family's vehicle. That driver, Thurman Lee Howard, was arrested in 2011. Later that year, he pled guilty to aggravated assault and did receive a sentence of 2 years and 7 months in jail. However, Lowry says Thurman only served a few months of that in a detention center.
It certainly enraged the family. I mean, and they certainly didn't feel like that was enough, and that's why they wanted to make sure they pursued this case through against this person. He had 5 counts of aggravated assault. I mean, basically, this person shot at a family of 5. From our point of view, was trying to kill them.
According to Lowry, the defendant argued that the dad driving the Ford Expedition had started the problem, but the jury didn't buy that, awarding the family more than $1.5 million in damages and saying Howard's actions showed willful misconduct and malice. Punitive damages, which indicates punishment, were awarded in the amount of $3.2 million. Lowry says it's an incident the family continues to live with, not only the parents, but the 4-year-old and 9-year-old who remember what happened.
And so they've got to go the rest of their lives knowing that when they're on the highway, somebody might just, for whatever reason, decide to shoot at them 5 times.
Well, Lowry says the family has suffered a lot of stress from this incident and continues to deal with it every time they have to get inside the car. We did reach out to the defendant's attorney, but had not heard back from him by news time. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.